Yo, what's up? It's New Year's Day and check this out, what's going on. Just to the entrance to the place where we stay, we have like, I don't know how to call this. When was the New Year, was the big wedding over here, so they closed full entire road and they built something like this one everywhere around. And check this out, this is on the, where is the entrance to the gate. Alright, it's time to go somewhere because it's rainy, so I'm gonna go somewhere, I don't know where it's not rainy anyway. Okay, so this is the peaceful afternoon on the New Year's first day 2021, and here I'm in Sanur. It was actually quite rainy and I was planning to go to Melasti Beach today, but I checked on the Google map, it's like a 3-kilometer traffic jam just to the intro to the Melasti Beach, so I changed my mind. Anyway, it's rainy little bit, so I'm not sure how's the in Uluwatu, but decided I will be in Sanur today. I will fly drone, I took my backpack. I hope so I can do it, just waiting when the rain completely gonna stop because still little bit rainy. Yeah, it's the very low tide. Winnie unfortunately is today not with me because she had to go to her family home, some family matters. I wanna talk today about the new year, about the what's happened in 2020 and what's gonna happen hopefully in 2021. First of all, I would like to say thank you to everyone who watching us. I start the daily vlogging every single day on 7th of June 2020, so it's already 7 months. I'm not gonna finish that, I'm gonna continue that. Comment below, I would really like to hear what was your favorite scene, what's your favorite episode, or maybe some part of the video in the past 7 months, or maybe earlier if you watched our first videos. Was 20 videos starting since February, before this current crap started. Comment below, I would really like to read and answer all your comments. For sure I will continue doing daily vlogs, probably all entire next year 2021. I don't thinking about finish it. For sure I would like to start travel more. Now the goal is travel at least once a month. Of course the borders are closed and I'm not sure when anything gonna change. So during this time I would like to travel at least to different parts of Indonesia, different islands, east and west. We'll see. Also the biggest goal in this year 2021 is to reach 100,000 subscribers. That's probably only dream and I can keep dreaming, however I know from the experience and observations this is possible. I hope so I can make it. Probably that's can improve whenever I'm gonna start travel, because also from the other YouTubers who stay in the one place usually it's not growing as fast as they gonna move to different places and showing different different things. Obviously Bali is kind of small islands and I have to repeat the places, the spots, but I know, as many of you especially who miss Bali, they really enjoy this place and this area, even the Sanur beach right now next to the Fairmont Hotel. 2021 was very tough with this global situation everywhere around the world, little bit different stories, but everywhere the same problems. Also comment below, how was your 2020 year? Have you achieved something? Did you achieve your goals, what you set up last year on the first day of the year? What is the goals for the new year? You have a plans, maybe you're getting married, maybe you wanna travel the world or something. I got distracted because this is like a police of the jet ski over there. Alright, actually people just jet ski around. Oh, that's actually also my goal for the next year. I would like to try jet ski, never tried. Yeah, so comment below, what do you think? Comment below also, what is your travel plans, when you planning to come to Bali whenever borders are open already, maybe already you planning to go on the different kind of visa. Also about the future of on this channel, I would like to run the series of the videos. One series of the video will be the shorts, which is the very short, probably few seconds video, maximum to 30 seconds video of the funny moments, spot somewhere on the street or in the hotel or I don't know, anywhere in the Bali or wherever we are. Also I want to make a series of the video only driving around, probably once a week or maybe once a month from the one specific area, let's say Sanur, Kuta, Legian, Seminyak, Canggu, Ubud. Also comment below if you are interested about that. And also I want to make a series of the video, let's say one day in the week. It's gonna be only definitely clear update. Let's say I'm gonna walk all around Sanur and show you the most parts as possible and talk about this area. Comment below if you would like to have a series of the videos like this, or you maybe would prefer how is it now, as it's totally mixed and you never know what's gonna be tomorrow, because it's also part of surprise. I hope so you enjoy a little bit of the cinematography from drone around Sanur Beach on the first day of 2021. At the end of the video I would like to wish you Happy New Year, and I hope so this year will be definitely much better and all of your dreams gonna come true. Like always, new vlog is every single day at 4 p.m. Bali time. Take care guys and see you tomorrow. See ya, take care. Check this out, this traffic. This is to heading to Sanur from Ubud, Ganyer. So big traffic, man.